Hello, it's Sean. I'm here to show you how to change memory out of a desktop computer. So I'm here at my help desk, and I've found that last ticket. It's one of the last two. The other one is how to change your laptop memory. That's a monster for another time. So, as you can see, that I need, well, we're not going to do the old G4 computer. We're going to do a newer iMac computer. Well, a few years old, but still new. So, we're going to tackle this on, okay? And I hope to show you how to change memory, even though you'll find out. Just watch this. First, what you would have to do is see how much memory is in your computer now. Alright, what you would do is you would click on here and you can see that it has 4 gigs of memory slots and it's DDR3 memory. Now, let me explain to you. When you decide to buy a computer, you get to quote custom build it, unquote, the way that you want it. And from that you can also decide how much memory you want to put in it at that time while the computer is being formatted for your needs and wants. So let's just say I want more memory for this computer than just 4 gigs. That's pretty good. I mean, it's served me quite well so far. You would go to the store. There's a few ways you can actually do this, and I'm going to show you 2 ways. You would go to memory, and now it's the time for you to pick out your computer. Mine was see here, late 2009. I have a 27-inch. They have Apple memory, 8 gigs for a whopping $200 with free shipping. Funny enough. But let's just say you don't have $200. You would go to Amazon, type in the exact same type of memory. Let me warn you about this. It's good, but it's bad. I recently, and you'll see this in the example I show you later on, that ultimately, if you see memory for a really low price, it's too good to be true. I had bought mine on here for $6.99. Come to find out last week that it was a DDR3, also a DDR2. You'll see the video and what happened later on. If you want to see more than just this, you could also buy 8 gigs of memory. Look, I would probably, if I did buy 8 gigs of memory, I would probably buy it from these brand new dealers at, you can honestly see, half the price. For a whopping $200, I can probably buy 32 gigs of RAM if I choose for that one price, possibly. But if you don't have that money, you can always go for a 4 gig, which is what I have now. And so you'll upgrade your computer to an 8 gig computer, which I suppose is pretty fast. Like I said, later on I will show you how the experiment worked with installing memory. It was a failure, but I succeeded in some way. Okay, these are two gigs of RAM. SODIMMs, so I'm going to install them in here. So my computer will be 8 gigs from 4 gigs. So, what I'm doing, still learning. I've never actually done this before on this computer. So, and do it before I get started and do the same thing here. Yeah. Let's see. I mean, it could just be the. No, I'm gonna just go ahead and give you. The wait. So now they did say that you would have to have a little bit of a push. Okay, that seems to be going. It's not really tight. See how it's just not going in there?
Give it one good push. Is it flush?
No, it's not.
All right, try a little bit more. Push it evenly. There you go. I heard it pop.
Yeah, I think what I'll probably do is. So I think I'll put it in the exact same way as. That looks right. If it went in same way before. looks like it was just a bad memory stick. That's a good sign, kind of. Okay, good. It works. So it was just a bad memory stick, I think.
You're still recording, by the way.
I know.
Okay.
That's back on web help desk here. I just wanted to say, well, if you can't get memory at a decent price, or you see a deal that's too good to be true, then it is too good to be true. So ultimately, get memory from an authorized dealer, or Apple, or whatever computer company you are with, and install it that way. Again, I'm sorry that my experiment was a failure, but I learned some valuable lessons in this video adventure tutorial. So I'm going to go ahead and close this out now because it's finished. Actually, it's really resolved. So I'm going to say that at resolved. Let's go back so you can see that I've resolved it. See? Alright. Since we're finished with this one, we are going to go ahead and cancel it. Or close it. Save that. Bring it back. And it is now gone. So I will see you at my next video, which will be trying to install memory on a laptop computer.